TEAS 7 Nursing Questions. Question 1. After Indigo Group 44 reads a passage about sleep and memory during the exam prep review, which sentence states the main idea? Option A. Adequate sleep supports memory and test performance. Option B. Timed tests should be avoided. Option C. Memory depends only on intelligence. Option D. Longer study sessions always beat rest. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because it captures the link between rest, recall, and performance. Timed tests should be avoided is wrong because the passage discusses performance, not avoiding tests, and memory depends only on intelligence is wrong because the passage connects memory with sleep habits. Longer study sessions always beat rest is wrong because the passage does not say more hours always help. Question 2. When Indigo Group 44 sees details that a student rereads the same paragraph 3 times, yawns, and misses 2 simple details, which inference is most reasonable? Option A. The answer key is missing. Option B. The student has finished early. Option C. The student may be fatigued. Option D. The paragraph has no main idea. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because repeated rereading, yawning, and missed details point to tiredness affecting attention. The answer key is missing is wrong because nothing suggests a missing key, and the student has finished early is wrong because the details show struggle rather than completion. The paragraph has no main idea is wrong because the problem shown is attention, not the paragraph structure. Question 3. During Indigo Group 44's exam prep review, a passage explains how a calculator policy works and gives examples of allowed use. Which author purpose fits best? Option A. To tell a fictional mystery. Option B. To frighten readers away from testing. Option C. To inform readers about a testing policy. Option D. To sell medical equipment. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because definitions and examples are used to explain information clearly. To tell a fictional mystery is wrong because the text is explanatory, not fictional, and to frighten readers away from testing is wrong because the language explains rather than scares. To sell medical equipment is wrong because no product is offered. Question 4. While Indigo Group 44 outlines a passage that places general study advice first and then gives examples for each subject, which structure is being used? Option A. Contrast only. Option B. Circular reasoning. Option C. Spatial order. Option D. General to specific. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the passage starts broadly and narrows to examples. Contrast only is wrong because the passage is not only showing differences, and circular reasoning is wrong because that is a logic problem, not the organization shown. Spatial order is wrong because no physical location is being described. Question 5. Before Indigo Group 44 accepts the claim that reading directions carefully prevents mistakes, which detail gives the strongest support? Option A. The test room was quiet. Option B. In one review, most missed items came from ignoring words such as except and first. Option C. One student wore a blue jacket. Option D. The school opened in 1998. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the evidence connects direction words with missed questions. The test room was quiet is wrong because a quiet room does not prove direction reading prevents errors, and one student wore a blue jacket is wrong because clothing is irrelevant. The school opened in 1998 is wrong because the school date does not support the claim. Question 6. Since Indigo Group 44 sees the word consistent in her scores became consistent after she used the same review routine, which meaning fits the context? Option A. Steady or reliable. Option B. Rarely seen. Option C. Completely random. Option D. Extremely silent. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because consistent describes results that do not vary wildly. Rarely seen is wrong because the sentence is about pattern, not visibility, and completely random is wrong because random is the opposite of steady. Extremely silent is wrong because sound level is unrelated. Question 7. Given Indigo Group 44 answers 2 out of 5 practice items correctly, which percent matches the result? Option A, 40%. Option B, 60%. Option C, 28.57%. Option D, 25%. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because 2 divided by 5 equals 0.4, and multiplying by 100 gives 40%. 60% is wrong because it subtracts before converting rather than converting the given fraction, and 28.57% is wrong because it compares the part to the total plus the part or uses an incomplete setup. 25% is wrong because it uses the wrong comparison instead of dividing the part by the whole. Question 8. If Indigo Group 44's score rises from 45 to 54, what percent increase should be recorded? Option A, 16.7%. Option B, 20%. Option C, 120%. Option D, 9%. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the increase is 9, and 9 divided by the original score 45 equals 20%. 16.7% is wrong because it divides by the new value instead of the original value, and 120% is wrong because it gives the new score as a percent of the old score, not the percent increase. 9% is wrong because it reports the raw point gain rather than dividing by the original value. Question 9. Suppose Indigo Group 44 solves 2x plus 6 equals 12, which value of x makes the equation true? Option A, 4. Option B, 2. Option C, 3. Option D, 6. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because subtracting 6 leaves 2x equals 6, and dividing by 2 gives x equals 3. 4 is wrong because it is one step away from the value that balances both sides, and 2 is wrong because it reverses or skips part of the inverse operation. 6 is wrong because it treats the constant or coefficient as if it were the final answer. Question 10. Using Indigo Group 44's triangle diagram with a base of 10 cm and a height of 5 cm, which area should be recorded? Option A, 25 square cm. Option B, 15 square cm. Option C, 50 square cm. Option D, 30 centimeters. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because triangle area is 1/2 times base times height, so 0.5 times 10 times 5 equals 25. 15 square cm is wrong because it adds dimensions rather than using the area formula, and 50 square cm is wrong because it forgets to take half of the base height product. 30 centimeters is wrong because that resembles a perimeter calculation and uses the wrong units. Question 11. From Indigo Group 44's measurement note of 240 centimeters, which conversion to m is accurate? Option A, 0.24 m. Option B, 24,000 m. Option C, 24 m. Option D, 2.4 m. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because 100 centimeters equal 1 meter, so 240 divided by 100 equals 2.4 m. 0.24 m is wrong because it divides by 1000 instead of 100, and 24,000 m is wrong because it multiplies instead of converting to a larger unit. 24 m is wrong because it divides by 10 instead of 100. Question 12. In Indigo Group 44's score set 57, 69, 61, 80, 65, which median should be reported? Option A, 65. Option B, 66.4. Option C, 57. Option D, 80. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the scores are ordered as 57, 61, 65, 69, 80, and the middle value rule gives 65. 66.4 is wrong because it uses a mean-like or added value rather than the median method, and 57 is wrong because it is an extreme value or unrelated value rather than the middle after sorting. 80 is wrong because it selects another listed score instead of the central value. Question 13. For Indigo Group 44, 6 review packets cost $18. At the same rate, how much do 8 packets cost? Option A, $21. Option B, $48. Option C, $26. Option D, $24. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because $18 divided by 6 gives $3 per packet, and 8 packets cost $24. $21 is wrong because it is 1 unit price short of the proportional cost, and $48 is wrong because it multiplies the two quantities and ignores the price. $26 is wrong because it adds the new quantity to the old cost instead of finding the unit rate. Question 14. Near Indigo Group 44's waste breakdown review, which organelle matches the function being reviewed? Option A, nucleus. Option B, ribosomes. Option C, lysosomes. Option D, endoplasmic reticulum. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because lysosomes contain enzymes that break down wastes and worn cell parts. Nucleus is wrong because the nucleus stores genetic information, and ribosomes is wrong because ribosomes make proteins. Endoplasmic reticulum is wrong because the ER helps transport and process molecules rather than digesting waste. Question 15. Because Indigo Group 44 traces circulation and blood enters the right atrium, where does it go next? Option A, aorta from the lungs. Option B, trachea from the lungs. Option C, vena cava from the body. Option D, pulmonary vein from the body. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the superior and inferior vena cava return deoxygenated blood to the right atrium. Aorta from the lungs is wrong because the aorta carries blood away from the heart, and trachea from the lungs is wrong because the trachea carries air, not blood. Pulmonary vein from the body is wrong because pulmonary veins carry blood from lungs to left atrium. Question 16. Although Indigo Group 44 sees alveoli drawn as tiny sacs, which feature helps oxygen enter blood quickly? Option A, thin walls and many nearby capillaries. Option B, large bone plates. Option C, very dry surfaces. Option D, thick cartilage rings. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because thin surfaces and rich blood supply shortened diffusion distance for gas exchange. Large bone plates is wrong because bone is not part of alveolar gas exchange, and very dry surfaces is wrong because gas exchange requires moist surfaces. Thick cartilage rings is wrong because cartilage supports airways but would slow diffusion in alveoli. Question 17. Once Indigo Group 44 notices that carbon dioxide rises and breathing rate increases, which process explains the response? Option A, photosynthesis. Option B, osmotic pressure only. Option C, negative feedback. Option D, translation. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because faster breathing removes more carbon dioxide and opposes the increase. Photosynthesis is wrong because photosynthesis occurs in plants and some microbes, not this human response, and osmotic pressure only is wrong because osmotic pressure does not explain respiratory rate control. Translation is wrong because translation is protein synthesis. Question 18. Where Indigo Group 44 studies genetics and a heterozygous tall plant TT crosses with another TT plant, which offspring chance matches the expected result? Option A, 100%. Option B, 25%. Option C, 75%. Option D, 50%. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because TT and TT genotypes show the dominant tall phenotype in 3 of 4 outcomes. 100% is wrong because one outcome is TT and would not be tall, and 25% is wrong because 1 of 4 is the recessive short phenotype. 50% is wrong because 2 of 4 are heterozygous but phenotype is not limited to carriers. Question 19. As Indigo Group 44 reviews chemistry and pH changes from 5 to 3, which conclusion follows? Option A. It becomes 100 times more acidic. Option B. It becomes 2 times more acidic. Option C. It becomes 100 times more basic. Option D. It does not change acidity. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because each pH unit represents a 10-fold change, so 2 units mean 10 times 10. It becomes 2 times more acidic is wrong because pH is logarithmic, not a simple subtraction scale, and it becomes 100 times more basic is wrong because a lower pH means more acidic, not more basic. It does not change acidity is wrong because a 2-unit pH shift is meaningful. Question 20. Under Indigo Group 44's experiment testing whether fertilizer affects plant height, which setup is the control group? Option A, plants grown with double fertilizer and extra light. Option B, plants measured with a different ruler. Option C, plants watered randomly each day. Option D, plants grown without fertilizer under the same light and water conditions. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because a control group should lack the tested fertilizer while keeping other conditions the same. Plants grown with double fertilizer and extra light is wrong because 2 variables change at once, and plants measured with a different ruler is wrong because measurement method should stay consistent. Plants watered randomly each day is wrong because random watering adds another variable. Question 21. Between Indigo Group 44's grammar options, which sentence uses subject-verb agreement correctly? Option A. The list of supplies is on the desk. Option B. The list of supplies are on the desk. Option C. The list of supplies were on the desk. Option D. The lists of supply is on the desk. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the singular subject list agrees with the singular verb is. The list of supplies are on the desk is wrong because are incorrectly agrees with supplies instead of list, and the list of supplies were on the desk is wrong because were does not agree with the singular subject list. The lists of supply is on the desk is wrong because plural lists needs are and supply should be supplies. Question 22. Inside Indigo Group 44's sentence, Maria and Elena checked blank answers twice. Which pronoun should replace the blank? Option A, their. Option B, her. Option C, herself. Option D, its. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because Maria and Elena form a plural antecedent, so there is appropriate. Her is wrong because her refers to one female person, not 2 people, and herself is wrong because herself is reflexive and singular. Its is wrong because its is used for a thing or organization, not 2 named people. Question 23. Through Indigo Group 44's punctuation review, which sentence uses a semicolon correctly? Option A, Maya studied science, Jordan reviewed math. Option B, Maya studied science, Jordan reviewed math. Option C, Maya studied, because science was hard. Option D, Maya studied science, Jordan reviewed math. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because both sides of the semicolon are complete related sentences. Maya studied science, Jordan reviewed math is wrong because the first part is a run-on before the semicolon, and Maya studied, because science was hard, is wrong because the second part is not an independent clause. Maya studied science, Jordan reviewed math is wrong because the mark separates the subject from the verb. Question 24. According to Indigo Group 44's grammar check, which revision fixes the run-on sentence? Option A. The passage was long, the main idea was clear. Option B. Because the passage was long but the main idea. Option C. The passage was long, but the main idea was clear. Option D. The passage was long, the main idea was clear. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because but with a comma correctly joins contrasting independent clauses. The passage was long, the main idea was clear, is wrong because a comma alone cannot join 2 independent clauses, and because the passage was long but the main idea is wrong because the sentence is incomplete. The passage was long, the main idea was clear, is wrong because the clauses run together. Question 25. Beyond Indigo Group 44's vocabulary drill, which meaning does the prefix sub- add? Option A, same. Option B, above. Option C, many. Option D, under or below. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because sub means under or below, as in subcutaneous, beneath the skin. Same is wrong because same is homo-, and above is wrong because above is super-. Many is wrong because many is poly-.